Hello everyone, it's Laurel here from Forever Purple Creations, and I am here to share the new kit for January from Rosie Posie Kits, Miss Rose Alcala. So I did just get it in the mail today, and I want to share it with you. So I'm going to take everything out of the bag just to make it easier. Oh, and I just shook you all over town. Sorry about that, ladies. There we go. I think that's everything. All right, so I know that it is a, sorry, I bumped my webcam, so now I have to fix it. Hopefully it won't fall on me. All right, let's move just a tad bit closer. All right. I know it is a pocket wall hanging, and it does hold 6 pockets, and it is fairly large, so I'm going to try and show it to you in sections. And this is going to be awesome to hang on your wall, and you can put ephemera in here and tags in here and like your paper stuff, or you can put supplies in here, paintbrushes and pens and things like that. So it's going to be awesome to hang in your craft room. It does come with the dowel already in it. All of the pockets are already sewed on, so that is all ready to go. And so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is fairly large. Like I said, I would measure it, but I don't think my ruler will go that long. It is pretty long, so a very good size. So this is going to be awesome. I'm going to have to figure out a place in my room to hang it and hang, because you know I don't have enough room as it is, so I need a lot more storage in here. I do have to say that Rosie did mention that there was a purple lace or trim she forgot to put in mine. And also there is a package of trims that I will not be showing that you ladies will be getting, because it also did not get put in mine on accident. I know Rosie is super crazed and busy, so that does happen when you're packaging up, you know, 20 kits and such. So it's better that it happens to me than to one of you ladies. I also want to let you know that she does still have 5 kits available. They are $45 shipped. That means it includes your shipping. So it's not 45 plus shipping. It is 45 including the shipping. So just 45 shipped. So if you are interested in one after you see this, please get a hold. You can get a hold of me through Messenger or Facebook, or you can get a hold of Rose through her Facebook as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all the little pieces and all the little bags. Let me get this open. I love keeping all the little bags. They come in handy for things. So we'll get rid of that tape. And of course, we're going to start with the one that has the purple goodies in it, because of course, you know, mine will have purple in it. And it has this gorgeous cream ribbon. And these beautiful deep purple. This is that paper flowers that are like this weird paper that I really like. But those are beautiful. I could probably bring this a little closer. I don't know why I'm always seeming so far apart lately. Oh, it's moving the wrong way. Let's try that way. There we go. Then I won't have to hold it up so far. And then this gorgeous color as well, like lavender. And then it comes with 2 wood things, and these are little buttons, wood buttons to put on the end of your dowels after you put your ribbon on, so that it doesn't slide through. What a great idea, Rosie. That's awesome. So you get 2 of those. And then there is some pearl, string pearls to put on wherever you want. And as you know, these can be changed. You can change the color of these with alcohol inks and such. They do take to those. And then a gorgeous piece of this fabric, which I love this fabric. I just love that it's like postage, curly postage. Isn't that beautiful? So you get a piece of that. No, I'm a little too close. There you go. So a piece of that. So that's, and of course, as always, it makes me want to just sit and smell it, because everything smells so good. I don't know what it is she uses, but it smells really good. So I'm quite sure that Rosie washes all the fabrics and everything, because they do smell really good. Let's see. Will this go in this way? No. I folded it well. I think we're going to iron them anyway, so I just want to stick what goes in the bags that came in back in those bags, because I don't want to lose anything. Ay, ay, ay. So that is those. Move it over here. Oh, my ears just got really hot all of a sudden. And then I'm guessing we get a bunch of doilies. Oh, doilies and appliques. So you get this beautiful doily. And these you can all use, and I'm guessing some of these are vintage by the stains, but you know you can always cover that up. And these I'm sure you can use and cut up and use on your different squares. And this one, beautiful, love the design in that. And this is hand crocheted. And this beautiful one in a beige. Oh, get in frame, Laurel. And these two little ones, love these. I love these. Like that. And then this beautiful, this is, I'm going to guess she avocado dyed this because that's what it looks like to me. Beautiful. And I know my light is very bright. I don't know why at night it looks like that now. So that's that bag. And put this back in here. And put it back over here out of the way. And then this, ooh, I love this one. This, I'm guessing, is to go across the bottom. And this is beautiful. And of course, I will be dyeing this purple because it's got to match my room. But look at that. And it has all sequins, not glued on it, but it's run through the strands here. That is beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? That's beautiful. I love that. So you get a fairly long piece, and I believe it will go across the bottom of your wall hanging. Put this one back in. I don't want to mess this one up. Love that. So the sequence is like the AD, so it does change color. That is really pretty. Rosie has such pretty things in her kit. Oh, and then we have, oh, a beautiful dark piece of purple. I call this a window pleat. I don't know why, I just do, but that's what it is to me. And that is just a beautiful purple. Love it. You get a really big piece of this, and I don't know if you guys will be getting purple, but I'm guessing you're going to get this same amount, and this will cover quite a bit. And then we'll shoot and put it in a different bag. So I'm going to put this one back in here. And then this one, which is a beautiful little, like an eyelet one, I would call it. Let me figure out how I can get it open here. Some of these little bags are really tough to open. There we go. All right. Isn't that pretty? I love this. That is very dainty. Look at how dainty that is. That is really pretty. You can put little rhinestones on all those. That's gorgeous. I love that. So you get a really long piece of that. You don't want to wrinkle it all up. Let's see if we can get it back in the bag now. These bags are so, you can never tell where the opening is. All right. Because I don't want to bend it. Go in there nicely now. All right. And then, let's see, let's do this one. Take the tape off there. Okay. And you get this white. And again, it's got like an iridescent sequence on it, along with pearls. And these are all sewn through, so if you're going to cut this, I would suggest putting glue on the back. That's beautiful. That's a hand crocheted piece as well. Hand crocheted trim. That's really pretty. And then this one, this is like in a very light cream. And that is gorgeous. This can be cut up in many different ways. These can be off these. You can cut this thin piece, or you can use it all like this. And these can be used as borders across your squares. And then we have this beautiful piece here. And I'm going to guess this is a pink. And that is really pretty. Love that. We may have to change this color a bit because the wall's not much of a pink girl, but I'm sure I have plenty of purple. So I'm not worried about it, but I know everybody doesn't like purple. All right, and then we have this one. Ooh, this one is a nice dangle one. Look at that. That is really pretty. And that is in a cream or a beige. That's really pretty. I hope I'm in frame. I can't tell even where I'm supposed to be right now. That is really pretty. And opening the bag right there. And then this gorgeous, ooh, two different, oh, it's two pieces. Oh, it's a bunch of different pieces. I think this is to go across each one. But these are really pretty. So you can get 3 pieces of this. And again, these can be dyed. You can actually use your markers or whatnot to do the flowers and leave this white. It's up to you, or you can dye the whole thing. But that's really pretty. So you get 3 of those. And like I said, you guys are getting some trims that I did not get. So when you get them, don't go, oh no, they're supposed to be there. And then the last one, which I see some beautiful sari ribbon in here. Tape. All right. So you get this. It's like, this one is almost like an ombre. It's like pinks and, oh no, there's 2 different ones. That's why I saw beige. No, but it does like, I don't know, it's kind of toned in different tones. You can see it. And then it goes into a beige. That is really, or this is a little different. Wow, that is really pretty. So you get that. And then this gorgeous piece right here, which is an elastic, but that is super pretty. Look at that, and it is stretchy. Love that. And again, you can dye this, or avocado dye it, or tea dye it, or coffee dye it, whichever you like. So those are all of the pieces that go with the kit. And then you can add all your own bling and whatever you want. Like I said, this will be a great project for storing things, so you might not want to bling it up too much. You might just want to decorate the front. It is going to hang on a wall, so that's up to you whether you would like to decorate the back or not. But it does come with quite a few goodies to decorate it with. Oh, I hope I didn't just lose one of those because it just came out of the bag upside down. And I think I did, so now I have to find it. Hopefully it went inside the bag. Let's see. Just lost one of my little gold things at the end. Well, it's got to be right here because I didn't just move anywhere, so I'll find it. It's in here somewhere. But it is no longer in this bag. I'll find it. It'll show up. Yes, make sure you're careful with your bags. You don't want to lose the end to your, I was going to kind of show you how it works. Now I only have one. So it's you're going to glue it onto the end like this. Oh, you can glue it onto the end so that it doesn't go through. So it will glue right onto the end of there. So that is all the wonderful goodies that you're going to get with your, and let's turn this the other way so you can see the pockets, like that. And then we'll place everything on here that you get with it. So this is all your goodies that come with it. And like I said, Rosie still has 5 of these kits available, so if you are interested in one, dropping stuff all over, and you don't know how to get a hold of Rosie, you can contact me and we will help you get set up with one. I know me and Rosie will be scheduling, I don't know, do I do this one? I think this might not be the one I do with her this time. I know we switch off. So we'll let you know who's going to be on and doing the project. So we will, we'll put a notice in the group or something and let you know when we're going to be putting this together. I know Rosie likes to wait until everybody gets theirs So we want to make sure everybody gets theirs before we start putting it together. So there we go. So there are all your goodies, and this is the pocket wall hanging kit. She does have 5 available. They are $45 shipped. And again, just reach out to me or reach out to Rosie. Looking forward to putting this together. Like I said, this is going to be great for storage for me. I already have an idea for mine. Just have to, oh, I think I already know where I'm going to hang it too. So yeah, so this is going to be awesome to put together and utilize all of this. I'm looking forward to this. I can't wait till all of you get your kits and we get to put these together just to see how differently everybody makes theirs. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful weekend or week, and that you had an amazing new year, and it's a fresh start for all of us for 2019, and we will see you all soon. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget the thumbs up, and don't forget to get out there and create something. See you all soon. Bye for now.